Hi, I'd like to welcome you to my website. As you can see by the logo on the top of the page, my name is Michael B. Cohen. And I know that a lot of you sometimes will access the internet because you're interested in sites like Amazon.com, iTunes, Facebook, or perhaps even some of you get your news online. But I know you're here for a much more serious reason. I know if you've searched for a criminal law practitioner that you have a serious criminal problem, be it a problem of yours, someone close to you, perhaps a loved one. You've come to the right place. My firm is different from other firms who practice in this area of the law because of my experience and my training and my ability. For years I worked for the opposition. First for the state attorney's office in Broward County, where I was a state prosecutor. Then as an assistant United States attorney in the Southern District of Florida, as an assistant attorney general with the Attorney General's office for the state of Florida, where I even defended civil suits. And I even practiced as a traffic judge in Palm Beach County for years, and sat as a traffic judge, I should say, where I saw all types of cases over the years. What you have to understand is that this kind of experience allows me to understand your adversary, to be in a position where I make the right decisions when defending you, to raise the right defenses, to understand what's important about an indictment that's returned and how to defend against it, to follow the right motions to dismiss, and if necessary, to try a case, and if there's an adverse decision for whatever reason, to represent you properly in your appeal. I have been honored by Super Lawyer magazine as being in the top 5% of the lawyers in the state of Florida. Martindale Hubbell, a legal publication which has listed me as having an AV rating, which signifies the highest in legal ethics and highest in legal ability. And I'm even listed in the 2014 edition of Best Lawyers in America. But you know, one picture is worth 1,000 words. If you simply look above to the right-hand side, upper right-hand side of my website, you'll see me arguing a significant case before the Florida Supreme Court, a case called State versus Green, where you can actually see me in action. With all of that said, please take the time to look through the individual pages of my website. Clicking on practice areas in the criminal law process will give you answers to many of the questions you have. So if you need the assistance of a criminal trial lawyer who will vigorously work to defend your rights and plan a proper strategy for a needed defense, call me now. The first consultation.